Have you ever forgotten your phone's lock screen password? It's super frustrating when you try over and over but still can't unlock it. But don't stress, this video will show you 3 ways to help you unlock that screen. Let's do this. Method 1. Erase your iPhone on the lock screen. If your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later, you have signed it in with your Apple ID and the phone is connected to a network. You can unlock your phone on the lock screen. Just keep entering the passcode until you see the Forgot Passcode option in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Proceed to sign out of your Apple ID. Here we go. As you can see, without using a computer we've erased this iPhone. Please note that the phone data have also been erased. Looks pretty simple and straightforward. However, many people are saying, what if I haven't signed in Apple ID? In that case, you can unlock your iPhone with iMyFone LockWiper. Let me show you. Please note the process will cause data loss. Please back up your data. Step 1. Download, install and launch LockWiper Unlock tool on your computer. Then choose Remove Screen Lock Mode and click Start. Step 2. Connect iPhone to the computer. Confirm iPhone information and click Download to continue. Step 3. After the extraction and verification process succeeds, click Start Unlock to unlock. After a few minutes, you can unlock your iPhone successfully. Now you can reset password. Method 3. Restore iPhone via iTunes. Please note that iTunes will result in erasing everything from your device. Step 1. Connect your device to the computer and open iTunes. Step 2. Put your iPhone in recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later, press the volume up and then volume down keys. Keep holding the power button, wait until the recovery mode appears. Step 3. Your device's information will now be shown, click on the Restore iPhone. That's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.